How are you?
I am doing well.
Can you speak English?
Yes, I can speak English very well.
Where are you from?
I am from Australia.
Where do you live?
I live in Sydney.
Who do you live with?
I live with my parents.
What time do you have breakfast?
I have breakfast at 8.
What do you do?
I am an engineer.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I love my job.
Do you have brothers and sisters?
I have one brother and one sister.
Do you have a boyfriend?
No, I am married.
Do you have children?
I have a daughter.
What's her name?
Her name is Emma.
How old is she?
She is 3 years old.
Does she speak English?
Yes, she speaks English.
What do you do in your free time?
In my free time, I read books.